Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making honey butter cornbread. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need yellow cornmeal, flour, baking powder, baking soda, granulated sugar, eggs, butter, milk, salt, honey, and vegetable oil. For the dry ingredients, we're going to combine 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half cup of sugar. Whisk until combined. For the wet ingredients, whisk together 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of honey, half cup of melted salted butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of room temperature milk. Whisk until combined, do not overmix. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, and again, do not overmix. Butter a cast iron skillet. Add cornbread mix and bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. For the honey butter, melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter and 3 tablespoons of honey. Brush honey butter over the cornbread. And there you have it, honey butter cornbread. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.